Hey barbecue lovers, are you ready to take your grilling game to the next level? Because today I'm going to show you how to make these incredible lollipop chicken drumsticks on the Traeger smoker grill that will have your guests talking for weeks. They are fun to eat, crispy on the outside, and tender and juicy inside. Trust me, you do not want to miss this recipe. We're starting with about 5 pounds of chicken drumsticks with the skin on. I'm using about 5 pounds of drumsticks for this recipe, which is about 12 of them. So the first step is to prepare the chicken drumsticks. To do this, you want to pat them dry with a paper towel, and then you want to get a sharp knife and really carefully cut around the bone at the point where the larger part of the meat starts. So here you see there's about 2 to 3 inches of the bone that you want to expose, and that gives it the lollipop appearance. And so you just remove the skin and the meat around the bone to expose these few inches, and then it's time to just go down the line and do it for all of them. And then I just want to point out that optionally, I personally like to test each drumstick to make sure it stands upright, because that's the fun of serving it for presentation. So what I do is that I see if it stands up on its own when the bone side is up, and if not, if it's not flat enough, if it topples over, then I like to trim a small piece of the bottom to help them stand up straight. So again, this is a recipe that is fun for presentation, and that's why we go ahead and do this extra step. You could use a barbecue rub or anything you'd like to season the chicken lollipop drumsticks, but you should really try my Italian marinade for grilled food. You prepare the marinade by combining fresh chopped basil, olive oil, garlic salt, cracked black pepper, paprika, and red pepper flakes in a bowl. And in the description, you can get all of the ingredients for this and other SipBiteGo recipes. You just whisk that all together until combined, and this gives the chicken lollipop so much flavor. You have to try it, if not this time, another. So coat the prepared chicken lollipops all over with the marinade and let them marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes up to overnight. For this cook, we're going to utilize 2 different smoker temperatures. So the first one you're going to start with is you need to preheat your Traeger grills to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can place the smoked chicken lollipops right in there. I was making a little feast here with some smoked mushrooms stuffed with mozzarella and spinach. I have those really yummy smoked squash and zucchinis. Please pick up that recipe at SipBiteGo. It is so delicious, served with burrata and a salad. So anyways, these smoke at the same temperature, 250 degrees Fahrenheit to start, which makes it really easy to make a yummy barbecue feast out of this meal. So just pop the chicken lollipops right in there. You want to smoke them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and a half until the internal temperature reaches about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It is so hot in Texas right now. I'm like dying in here, but worth smoking food still. All right, so these have been smoking at 250 for an hour and a half. They're just about, well, they're at done basically. I should have taken them off a couple minutes ago, but this won't kill them. Raise the temperature, it's getting a little smoky. Raise the temperature to 375, and I'm just gonna spritz them with a little bit of olive oil to give them good luck to crisp up on the outside, because we're going for that crispy skin. All right. These are so good. We end up reheating them over a few days anyways. This is definitely meal prep. Do you see all the food in there? So, you know, once they make it in the air fryer for like Once I make it in the air fryer, they'll crisp up a little bit for subsequent days. But this looks super good, so wishing you the best as you smoke yours. Happy eating! It's hot, it's hot. Chicken pops.